Hello and welcome to the LeadFlux lead magnet lead generation tool for your business. And I want to take you just through a quick walkthrough or demo here today. So right now you are sitting here likely on the LeadFlux homepage. You can go down and see all of the different things that we are up to and what this platform is all about. There are three different tiers to jump into. So when you're ready for this, these are the different tiers to jump into, primarily with support, integrations, and ultimately AI credits that you can use per month. Your leads can use per month when using some of these fantastic lead tools. So let's go ahead and sign in and see how this works. So I'm going to log into my admin portal and share with you just a couple things to take a look at. So when you first log in, you're going to see a screen that looks something like this. Now, there's a few things in here from an admin standpoint, but I wanted to share with you what this will look like overall. So you've got a few setup tools just to see how things are connected. You've got this beautiful analytics tab where you can scroll down and see multiple different things from the analytics standpoint, from how often the widgets are being used, the conversion rate of your widget, and the leads that are actually generated. You can see how many email reports have been sent, what the delivery rate is, and an estimation per month based on that. You can see conversion funnel and ultimately recent activity all right here from the dashboard. Now, what makes this really fun is you can come into the widget tab. This is where we control everything within the widget itself. And I'll walk through this here in just a minute. But if we want to get this thing set up, this is where the power of this tool really comes in. So if you are a Go high level user, whether you are on a white label version of another agency's or you have a direct Go high level account, you can use this tool to integrate directly into your Go high level account. Simply by adding in some API key settings, your location ID, you can even come in and choose which pipeline once everything's set up. And then you can choose, what does the opportunity look like? So this will automatically add the contact and create an opportunity right in your pipeline for you. You can use the tools like custom, contact name or anything else that you want to use as one of the fields and title it something you want. All of this is customizable for you and your business. You can give it an opportunity value and the default pipeline stage that it will start in. You can also add additional tags. These do not have to already be in your Go High Level account. This will automatically create these for you so that you can build back-end automations and things like that to be able to nurture these leads over time. Simply hit save configuration and you can even test it right here. On the email setup tab, you can use something like a send grid or something like that to use your to send out these emails. So when somebody walks through the pricing tool or one of the other widgets and it sends the report to the lead, you can use different things to actually send that. If you are a Go high level user and you already have that set up in your for the CRM, you can actually use that as your configuration so that everything sends through Go high level. It saves the messages and all of that right within the platform for you. My recommendation is using a private integration for this, just so you have a little bit more control. And there are steps on how to set that up right here in the platform. You'll use your email that you're using within the Go High Level platform. You can set a from name. You can even always BCC an email. So if you want these emails that the leads are sending to also filter into a specific inbox so you can see all of this detail, all of that can be set up here as well. You can choose from a variety of different templates and again, hit save once you get down here. You can send test emails, make sure that everything looks the way that you want it to. So all of this can be set up right in here. If you don't have Go High Level and you want to just do a simple setup where I want to use the widget, maybe I don't have a CRM quite yet, but I just want it to send through simple email, there's a setup tab for this as well. So you can walk through those steps here. You can set up what the report template looks like, from custom branding to your company logo, and a bunch of different things when it comes to setting up the color palette and things like that. So let's go back to the widget itself. Here in the widget, you can title it something. So right now we've got the small business pricing assistant. Uh, as we continue to unfold over the remainder of 2025 and early into 2026, we will be adding additional widgets for you to choose from. So if your prospects are not interested in a pricing tool, There may be additional widgets and tools that we will be deploying right here within the platform, so you can choose which ones you want to deploy on your website to capture leads. Give it some description, go through custom branding, and it's as simple as being able to go in and see the tool itself. Or you can click here and click the embed code and put that directly on your website. So let's open up the widget preview to see what this actually looks like. Here's how the widget looks in its own individual window. For the pricing assistant, a prospect can come in and choose whether they're selling a product or a service, and they can walk through each of these tools to be able to see, what does this look like? How does this work? I encourage you that if you have not tested this for yourself, go through the process, fill out one of these, and see the types of information that you and your leads would be able to generate. This is powered by AI so that it will give a full pricing option based on the information you give it, and give some options on, are you priced correctly or not for your product or service. So here's a quick example of what this looks like on a website. So if you go and embed it onto your website, and you can make this look however you want, this is an example of using that exact same tool right here embedded within your website. This is fully functional, where you can click it, add the information in, and continue on the path just as if you were in a individual website page for this. You can do it right here on your own individual website. So this is the deployment power of this particular tool. Now, finally, if you're in your Go High Level account, what does this look like on the back end? Because the important piece here is being able to capture the leads and capture the information. So here you can see a sample user has been created. So we had gone through, used the test iteration of this tool, put in our information as a lead, and hit send me report. The prospect gets the report in their email inbox. We get a copy of it in the inbox that we've designated, and it creates all of this right here within Go High Level. So you can see there's an opportunity card. We open this up. We've got preview user. We've got the email. Had this example added in the phone, it would have captured the phone number. It creates that opportunity name, the pipeline stage, opportunity value, everything right here within the tool. And you can see our tags have automatically been added in as well. All of that right here in the platform using this amazing tool. So if you're a business owner and you're looking at, how do I continue to find new ways to engage my leads, different types of lead magnets, then this is the tool for you.